Luda. Now I may not be the worst or the best, but you gotta respect my honesty. And I may break your heart, but I don't really think there's anybody as bomb as me. So you can take this chance. In the end, everybody's gonna be wondering how you deal. You might say this is ludicrous, but Tayo Cruz,
now
tell her how
listen
you
to me, baby. Before I love and leave you, they call me heartbreaker. I don't wanna deceive you. If you fall for me, I'm not easy to please. I might tear you apart. Told you from the start, baby, from the start. I'm only gonna break your heart. 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 Whoa, whoa. There's no point trying to hide it. No point trying to evade it. I know I got a problem with misbehaving. If you fall for me, I'm not easy to please. I might tear you apart. Told you from the start, baby, from the start. I'm only gonna break your heart. I'm only gonna break your heart. I'm only gonna break your heart. I'm only gonna break your
That's all I'm gonna do, woman. Listen, now I'm only gonna break your heart and shatter and spatter it all into little bitty pieces. Whether or not you get it all together, then it's finders, keepers, and losers, weepers. See, I'm not trying to lead you on. No, I'm only trying to keep it real. You might say this is ludicrous, but Tayo Cruz, tell her how you feel.
Hey, and I know karma's gonna get me back for being so cold. Hey, like a big bad wolf, I'm born to be bad to the bone. Hey, if you fall for me, I'm only gonna